Good day everyone, I'm Rizar Fabia. I would like to share my multiple intelligence inventory. Part 1. Complete each section by placing a 1 next to each statement I feel accurately describe me. So, I will put a number 1 of the blank when the sessions was accurately describe me. Section 1, I have a total of 5. Section 2, total of 5. Section 3, total of 3. Section 4, total of 6. Section 5, total is 4. Sa Section 6 naman is total 3. Section 7, total 5. Section 8, total 1. And also, Section 9, total 3. Sa part 2 naman is yung mga nakuha kong total sa section 1 ay inilagay ko dito and multiply by 10. And sa part 3, the next one is a bar graph. I put a dot kasi hindi ko siya ma-edit because the file is already PDF po. So, my top 3 of learning styles is section 4, section 1, 2, and 7, and the last one, section 5. So dito, sa part 3, may results ay nakikita nyo sa bar graph ay may pantay-pantay. Dyan po sa 1, 2, 7, and 5, I have musical, naturalistic, existential, and verbal. My bottom three types of learning styles is Section 8, Section 3, 6, 9, and Section 5. As you can see, may pantay rin, which is logical, interpersonal, kinesthetic, and intrapersonal. So, wala pa akong nakitang pattern kasi may mga pare-parehong result akong nakuha. My learning style is halo-halo na kung saan may nakahalong, for example, logical, verbal, or intrapersonal. Doon sa aking nakuha, ang aking learning style is kahit saan mo ko ilagay, I have intelligence to learn the topic. Ganon. So, yun lamang po and maraming salamat po and thank you for watching.